तो क्या आपके भी दो रूप देखने को मिलेंगे, प्रेम और दबंग?
मेरे तो आपको हमेशा इतने सारे रूप देखने को मिलते हैं, और दो से क्या करोगे? 200 रूप देखने मिलते हैं आपको मेरे, और मैं आपको फ्रीली अलाउ भी करता हूं।
हेलो,
दो और चाहिए आपको?
और चाहिए बहुत
202 कर दूं मैं?
202 कर दीजिए।
चलिए आपके लिए।
ओके।
One more thing.
Yeah.
One thing that we have been looking forward for the past seasons and which has not happened is perhaps your reunion with Shah Rukh on Big Boss. He has always had a film to be released. So will we see it happen this time? Because you have always been extending an invitation. He has also been open to coming and promoting his film on Big Boss. So a film with you and Shah Rukh is not a possibility. So at least a reunion on Big
No,
Boss.
film with him and me on the same day is a possibility.
But what about on Big Boss? Dilwale is also coming up.
No, I don't think he'll be busy to go inside. No, I don't think he'll go in. Oh, I'm promoting.
सलमान इस तरफ
No, I would love him. I would love him to now see. He knows that I don't mean it. It means if he has the dates and if he wants to come onto the show, he's more than welcome. If he wants to come and go and spend some time with the contestants, he's more than welcome. So I would put it as this, not as I would love him and I want him to come on the show and stuff like that, because then it's carried away in a different thing and there's pressure put there. So he's coming, he should come, he should promote, come have fun, go inside, chit chat with the contestants, give them, his life's experience. He's got a lot of experience in life, and then that's it.
सलमान ऑन योर राइट, सलमान यहाँ आप कब डबल होंगे?
दिख नहीं रहा है?
नहीं, मैं इस डबल की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ। कब शादी करेंगे?
मैंने
आप?
प्यार किया से लेके आज तक डबल ही हूँ। अब ट्रिपल भी होने जा रहा हूँ मैं सुल्तान के लिए।
नहीं, शादी की कब शादी करेंगे आप?
The eternal question.
What do you think?
Whenever you say, Salman, I'm already in my white dress. Just saying, guys, we all get carried away. Let's take the next question.
No, why you say that? I'm getting carried away right now. प्रेस भी है, स्टेज भी है, शादी वादी का खर्चा भी बढ़ जाएगा. But for how long?
I was thinking for a lifetime. What were you thinking?
No.
We live in India. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं?
शादी लाइफ टाइम के लिए थोड़ी होती है यार. कौन से जमाने में जी रहे हो आप? Not happening.
That's really sad. Let's take the next question, guys.
कौन है टेम्पररी शादी किससे करूं मैं?
Hi, my question is to Mr. Deepak.
आपसे?
Hi, my question is to Mr.
एक
Deepak.
भाई बहन के साथ कैसे शादी कर सकता है? क्या? मजाक कर रहा. Only the guys call me भाई. हाँ? इतना बुरा एक्सपीरियंस है आपका? ये बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर डाल रही है मुझ पर. जहां मैं माइंड चेंज करता हूं आप अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना ये.
All right. We can keep that debate for another day. Let's go on with the next question, please. Yes.
इतना अच्छा डिबेट चल रहा था, आपने कुछ आधा कन्विंस कर रहा था, आधा डिमोरलाइज कर रहा था.
सलमान, आपके रियल लाइफ में कोई आपको इतना ट्रबल किया है?
ये बड़ा ही सुलझा हुआ सवाल आने वाला है ये. हाँ. सलमान ये बड़ा गहरा, ये बड़ा डीप, ये बड़ा सोच कर. हाँ. मतलब कि ये सवाल ऐसा आएगा कि चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. ये वाला. जी सर पूछिए. अरे
No, I'm asking him.
अरे रेमो की शक्ल क्या है?
I'll take that as a compliment. Salman, talking about your real life, has anyone from the industry ever troubled you more than once?
Not really, sir. I don't think there's anyone who has troubled me. If there's anybody responsible for my troubles, I think it's, It's my luck, it's my destiny, it's me, it's stuff like that. It's my journey, it's my journey. And only from, see when I, एक होता ना जैसे check कि अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता मेरी लाइफ के अंदर छोटा मोटा तो I would have been a different person. So it just keeps everything छोटा छोटा trouble होना चाहिए लाइफ के अंदर. So it keeps you grounded somewhere. It keeps you real somewhere. It keeps you balanced. You know, you don't think no end of yourself. You know, it knows कि यार ये किसी भी तरफ जा सकता है. You know, you can come out of it. You can, you know, get stuck into this. So you're there. You're सुलझा हुआ. You know, as soon as you come in, I've seen a lot of people come in, they start thinking no end of themselves, and then finish out, gone. We've been lucky, you know, and plus I've got a very strong family support, which, you know, keeps me going. My friend circle, especially the press, has been really kind to me. I earlier did not agree with this name at all. I had a big, I said, no, double trouble. मेरे लाइफ में मुझे trouble ही होता रहता है, ये होता रहता है. तो ऐसे इस बार double आएगा, मैं बोला नहीं होगा यार, manage नहीं होगा इस बार. तो then they said कि नहीं, this is the concept of the whole show. घर के अंदर ये होने वाला, ऐसा होने वाला, वैसा होना. I thought it was funny, and I kept on saying, you know, have it double something else. But I think the team wanted double trouble, so I said, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
अभी पता नहीं, आप देखो अभी.
Okay,
अगर मैं एक कहना चाहता हूँ,
ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि सिर्फ लड़के जाएंगे या लड़की जाएंगे. जाएगा ना सर, सब जाएंगे. भिन्न प्रकार के कैरेक्टर्स जाएंगे सर इस बार. अतरंगी सर.
Hi, my question is
Or
to Mr.
ma'am.
Raj Nayak. Sir, here, straight.
Please stand up.
Sir,
She's
here.
standing.
Yeah.
She's standing.
Could you please stand up, please?
She's standing.
She is? Oh.
There. There.
Sir, how did you arrive at this theme of double trouble?
I didn't arrive at this theme. I mean,
How honest.
we have a programming team that works. They ideate over a period of time, and every time they work on different creatives. And this time they came with the theme of double trouble because they found that what they plan to do in the house is going to be that much more exciting, and it's going to be fun.
Salman, you know the tagline of Big Boss season 9 is wine is very catchy. And what brings you back to Big Boss year after year? Because last year you had said that you left the show halfway, and now
You know, it's, after you work 3 months, by that time you're exhausted, so everything keeps on coming onto your head. But then there is a long association, and there's a huge connect with all the contestants inside, and as well as the whole, you know, team, the Endemol team, the Colors team. So you start missing this whole thing after some time. I actually want to do something else, which we will do. Sir, ये studio leak हो रहा है sir. Seriously? Something, yeah. No. यहाँ भी हो रहा है ना?
Over and above Big Boss.
So, what was I saying, sir?
Why you keep coming to Big Boss?
Yeah. So you start missing it, you know. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमारी country है, जो हमारी country की youth है, वो एक दिशा में जा रही है. And I think Big Boss का ये जो show है, it's a window to that, because celebrities, पढ़े लिखे लोग आते हैं, you know, जिनका एक mind है, जो television पे बोलने से कतराते नहीं, डरते नहीं हैं, you know, कुछ ओवर ड्रामेटिकली कर जाते हैं, तो कुछ, you know, बहुत ही सटली कर जाते हैं, कोई दिल से लड़ते हैं, तो कोई दिमाग से लड़ते हैं. तो इट्स बेसिकली ये जो हमारी दुनिया की खिड़की, हिंदुस्तान की खिड़की ये है. और फिर जो आप लोग टीवी पर देखते हो, आप लोग उसको एंजॉय करते हो. अगर एंजॉय नहीं करते तो देन आउट ऑफ थॉट के यार ये क्या है, आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. बट एवरीवन एंजॉयज इट. नॉट ओनली दैट, एवरीबॉडी हु हैज कम आउट ऑफ द बिग बॉस हाउस he's been working every single day. Most of them. So it gives me great pleasure, you know, in guiding them in the right direction. Sometimes people go overboard. I said, क्या मैं इनका father हूँ, मैं इनका brother हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ? But then एक दायरा होता है, because you cross that limit, it doesn't be entertainment anymore. You cross that limit, you don't get work outside. So I just make sure that no matter what, sometimes I get a lot of lot of criticism for, getting into this. It's not my space. Like there was Mr. Bachchan as a host. Whatever happened in the house, he just, didn't react to what happened in the house. But I get involved. I get involved with these people when most of them are in touch with me even after Big Boss is over. So I feel that once I am there, let me, be a part of this. And the reason every time मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं ये show नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि because it starts affecting me. That is the reason why I keep on saying, let it go, yeah, let's not do this, एक और 13 लोग मेरी life में आ जाएंगे, Why do I have to do this? But then I just feel that it's a good show. It's about people, it's about relationships. That is where my connect is. मैं जितनी भी जो मेरे फादर की लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, भाइयों की, दोस्तों की, जो भी लाइफ में देखा है अप्स एंड डाउन, वो मैं अगर इनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, then why not? That is my only thing for getting back to Big Boss all the time.
I have a question for Mr. Jaikishan. You briefly touched upon it that last season was very good for you with the kind of branding and all. So what are you expecting this season? Because consecutively second year you have come on board.
आप ही का आदमी है.
Yeah, so see, the show actually gives you an opportunity to be in the houses of the viewers for 105 days at a stretch. So there's no other platform in the country which gives you this access. And the idea is to kind of be a household brand, touching upon everything that you want to buy and make your dil ki deal.
Mr. William, you have associated with Big Boss. This is the second time your association with Big Boss.
Yes.
So how was it help you to build brand like?
I think this is probably the most biggest and popular reality shows in India market. We agree that, and really fortunately they can get Salman Khan on board. Is another
you said India Mate? Huh?
Global way.
Huh?
Global way. We know Big Boss in China as well. So I think this is really for a new brand because everybody knows that Oppo is not a very strong brand in the past. So when we come in this market, we definitely need a great show and exposure to this market. So I think this is really good fortune to us.
Right.
Hi, my question is for Mr. Raj Nayak. Sir, Colors has been consistent #1 for last couple of weeks. What are the strategies that you are working on?
आप ही की है.
We are associated with all the right people, as good as that.
What are the strategies that you are working on to spruce up on the marketing and the programming front?
ये भी. Sir,
at Colors, we actually don't look at the scoreboard. We just keep playing the game. We give it our best shot, and it's
Sir, अभी तक तो इतना सच बोल रहे थे, sir.
Yeah, but over the next few months, you'll see quite a few new launches, and the idea is to consolidate and build from here.
Salman?
Double, बोलो, पूछो. साथ में पूछो, साथ में जवाब दूंगा.
से आपको सबसे ज्यादा खुशी होती है और किस ट्रबल से आपको सबसे ज्यादा?
सर, हर पॉजिटिव चीज डबल होने से सर मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है और हर नेगेटिव चीज उसका आधा होने से मुझे सर बेहद खुशी होती है सर. अब समझ जाओ यार.
Yeah, hi, my question was to Mr. Deepak. You have experience of shooting Big Boss India for 9 years. So how are you planning the 9th year firstly, and secondly, how was the first experience of shooting Big Boss China in India?
Well, yeah, I mean, we've produced, this is the 9th season of the Hindi Big Boss. We've produced 3 other regional seasons, so obviously there's a lot of experience. We bring in a lot of international learnings as well from various seasons of Big Brother across. And obviously we've planned a lot of things in the Double Trouble theme. I can't speak too much in detail about what's really going to happen week on week. For that, you'll have to tune in. And as for the Chinese version of Big Brother, we extended the invitation to them. They came across, they used our experience and learnings in the last nine years. And like we just thought, there's a mantra of Make in India. So we just took that forward and really collaborated with the Chinese team.
Salman, here, Jyoti here.
Jyoti, sir.
How are you?
All good, sir. आप single कब हो रहे हो, sir?
The day you become double, I promise I'll become single.
Sir, how sweet, sir. If there is a chance that I would, by chance, get double, only to get triple, sir, or chobal. Otherwise, sir, I'm fine, sir, the way I am, sir.
Salman,
Sir, you have to try my life, sir. You love it, sir.
अच्छा सवाल ये है
सवाल क्या है, sir?
For the past
अच्छा, वो सोच वो सवाल था.
नहीं वो सवाल
वो statement था आपका.
Statement था.
अच्छा, thank you, sir.
It's almost silver jubilee since you entered films as an actor. And you have been anchoring, mashallah, better and better every time, especially Bigg Boss is concerned.
Thank you, sir.
So what do you use from your aspect as an actor in Bigg Boss as a host, and what you do in Bigg Boss as a host when you set out to act?
Sir, I don't use anything, sir. In Bigg Boss, as an actor, I don't use anything, sir. Not 1% of acting or anything that you'll see of me in Bigg Boss. I mean, if you see, there's sometimes they cut off stuff that I say. I mean, and that's my life, and I, share it with these people because I know that I'm sharing it with these people because the situation that they're going through there in the house is such that it reminds me of a situation that I've gone through in my life or a friend of mine has gone through in his life, So I share that. Sometimes, they keep it, sometimes they cut it out. But there's nothing as a star as Salman Khan the actor. It is always Salman Khan the person, Salman Khan, Salim Khan's son, Sohail Khan's brother, Arbaz Khan, Alvira, Arpita's brother. Just this and friends, what I've learned, what all I've heard, read, what are my experiences, what I've seen, I just keep on putting that thing. And, sometimes it doesn't come to me. And I keep on watching the shows all the time. So when I see it coming, what I do is, jab aata hai to I make a note down. And I put it in the next episode. So what I do is, ab bhul gaya, isne ye bola, ya bhul gaya, I should have said this. So I get a chance the next week. So ye aisa hua tha tumhare saath, mere saath aisa hua tha. So then I give them an example of that.
I think that is the reason you connect to the common man
Ji,
through
sir.
the show.
Ji, sir.
Thank you.
Because mere saath jo hai, as you all must have noticed, what I'm with my friends, what I'm in the living room, I'm with everyone. My bedroom is my bedroom. Apart from that, my living room is the country. I watch it every day. If I don't get to watch it every day, then I make sure that I catch it every alternate day. They give me all the all the DVDs they give me, and then I see it one night before, and in the morning I've made my notes, and in the morning I see the whole thing again. Yeah, my mom also does that. My mom also likes it. My mom and Hiru auntie, Uma auntie, everyone, all the whole group, they like it. And that is actually my barometer to this show. Sometimes they say, "Isko kya ho gaya? She was so nice, or he was so good. What has happened?" So that's when I come back and tell the contestants as well. I say, my mom was saying this. Karan's mother was saying this. Prem uncle's, Mrs. Auntie was saying this. So these are the people, are, because they're, samajhdar log, they're, senior people, but they're young at heart, they're fun-loving. But there is a line that one should not cross.
All right, we're going to take the last question. So,
what?
Hi.
If you're not good at what you do, then there is a problem of overexposure. But if you're doing your thing right, earnestly and with all your heart, and people are liking, then I don't think there's anything as overexposure anymore.
Hi, my name is Himanshu, and my question is for Mr. Dhar. Can you share some detail about how the Bigg Boss house is looking this year?
Well, honestly, I can't share the details of the house or the design or the layout. Like I said, everything is planned with Double Trouble as a theme. So, that says it all. So, really can't reveal too much about this house.
I think that here, Dinesh was on.
On 11th October is also Mr. Bachchan's.
It's just a coincidence. Nothing was planned like this. But now that it is, we'll take credit for it. Since he was the host, so Raji thought it was only fair to, launch the show on Bachchan Saab's birthday.
Mr. Bachchan comes on the set that day, we'll cut a cake also.
This is our way to say happy birthday to you, sir.
All right, I'm sorry, we're just going to take that last question. We have time only for that much. Yes?
There's this trend that we've seen कि आप जब आते हो तभी ऐसे लोगों को कि सलमान is hosting Big Boss, so that's the main reason they watched Big Boss. Do you think that is true?
Not true at all. Not true at all. Last season, I was shooting for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, so I had to leave. Farah came in. And the TRPs, hakikat baat hai, TRPs were much higher than, not much higher, higher than where I left it. Where I left it.
There are several sections of audience, they just post on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook that, we want to...
They're fans who do that. And they keep on doing that over and over again. It's respect to them.
Okay.
One last one.
Okay.
लास्ट सवाल है ऐसा पूछो कि सुनाई दे अबे यार ये क्या सीरियसली बहुत लीक हो रहा है यार ये
Can we please send a mic there?
It's really leaking, yeah, I'm telling you. पूछिए हाँ किसकी चीज की
जज्बाती टीम जज्बा
इनको पता था कि ये लास्ट सवाल है तालियां मैडम के लिए तालियां मैडम के लिए क्या जज्बाती सवाल लाई हो मैडम आप वाह
On that note, guys, we're going to go for a photo op. We request all the media persons to please go ahead and click this beautiful picture right here. Can we have all the gentlemen please go ahead?
तुमसा लगता है
Alright, can we clear the chairs at the back, please?
हो जाएंगे ऐसा लगता है ओ तेरे प्यार में तेरे इंतजार में सोनिया ओ तेरे प्यार में तेरे
Alright, guys, we're going to go for a photo op. Here you go. Alright.
Hey.
And we have the lovely dancers here.
Right, sir.
Alright, please, we request the gentlemen to please stand together and flash their pearly whites. It's time for a picture.